Okay, so for this assignment, we are going to do a couple of things, right? The first thing we need to do is we need to fold this paper into sections. So when we rub our textures, we have different sections of the textures. Now I am doing a smaller size version of the assignment you guys will be working on. So let me just start by folding this into 8 parts. So my next step now, create some impressions of the textures that I need, and I'm going to be using this little texture plate. There you go. I have my textures that I rub from all my texture plates that I use for ceramics. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do now is decide what kind of composition I want to do with these textures. So what I thought I would do is a snowman. So I'm going to start drawing out shapes for my snowman based on each of the textures that I have in here. Once I do my drawing, I'm going to cut it out. So let me do my drawing first. Okay, so now that I have my drawings in place, I'm not really concerned about the colors in here. I'm just trying to get the texture and the shapes in there, especially because I decided what I was doing after I had my textures. So if you know what you're doing before you get the texture, it makes things a lot easier, because then you can just choose your colors accordingly to what you are doing. But now I have my texture in here. So now next step is to cut all the shapes out. Okay, so now that I have all my parts, I still have a lot left over if I need to make some adjustments, so don't throw this away just yet. So now all I need to do is get a piece of paper that's going to work as my background for this project. So since it is a snowman, I think I'm gonna get a light blue piece of paper. Now that I have all the pieces cut and textured, the last thing I need to do now is just build my snowman. So I'm gonna get my glue and let's get it done. Once you finish gluing your project together, if you want to make the different text to stand out a little more, you can use a Sharpie just to outline the shape, and that will separate them a little bit and make each of the textures to stand out a little better. So let's do that. And there you have it. Once this outline is done, then we should be able to see your textures a little better and each shape that you use for this assignment. Okay, and here are other ideas that we have done using the same technique.